Welcome dear student. Today we will be discuss about the class ninth chapter motion. The topic is speed, velocity and acceleration. First is speed. What is the speed? The rate change of the distance is known as the speed. It's denoted by v is equal to d upon t. It is the scalar quantity. It has only magnitude. It has not the direction. Clear? कोई भी डायरेक्शन शो नहीं करता है. It is defined as the v is equal to d upon t. The SI unit of the speed is meter per second, and the dimension of the speed is lt की power minus 1. Clear? Next is the average speed. The average speed will be equal to total distance upon total time taken. Clear? Next is the example of the speed. When a car going 5 km per hour, a car going 5 km per hour. Clear? It has magnitude, but it has not show the direction. Clear? So it is the example of the speed. Next is what is the velocity? The rate change of the displacement, it is known as the velocity. It's denoted by the v. V is equal to the rate change of the displacement with time, where delta x is the change of the displacement. Clear? And the delta t is the time taken. Clear? Thus SI unit of the velocity, it will be also be same as the speed. Clear? Meter per second. It is the vector quantity, and the average velocity will be the total displacement upon total time taken. Clear? Next is the example of the velocity. A car going 20 km per hour in north side. This example shows the direction is north side. Clear? It shows the magnitude and the direction. Clear? So it has both magnitude and direction. So it is the example of the velocity. Clear? Next is what is the acceleration? The rate change of the velocity with time is known as the acceleration. It is vector quantity. It is denoted by a. A is equal to the rate change of the velocity with time. Clear? Where delta v is equal to v minus u, where v is the final velocity and u is the initial velocity. Clear? And the unit of the acceleration is meter per second square. Clear? And the dimension of the acceleration is lt की power minus 2. It is the dimension of the acceleration. Clear? For example, a car going with acceleration is 10 meter per second square. Clear? It is the example of the acceleration. Next is velocity time graph in uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Clear? Velocity time graph in uniform motion. First is uniform motion. Clear? Velocity and time. In the uniform motion, the velocity will be constant because a moving body distance equal distance travel in equal time interval. Clear? So velocity will be constant in the uniform motion. Next is in non-uniform motion, the velocity time graph. Velocity time. In the non-uniform motion, velocity will not be constant. Clear? Velocity will be changed in non-uniform motion. Velocity increase and decrease in equal time interval. Clear? So the graph of velocity and time is so as. Clear? It is the velocity increase, after then decrease, after then increase, and फिर decrease. Clear? It is the graph of the velocity time in uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Clear? Thank you very much.